Okay, folks, Christmas Day 2025. It is 10:38. We are here at Memorial Drive and Oakland Cemetery. We're going to go up and catch the entrance to Oakland, then come back down through here. We've just come through Cabbagetown. We're having to let that camera rest. We're charging it, the S22 Ultra, having to let it rest. It wasn't overheated, but it was getting warm, and the screen had already gotten dim. And so we're letting it rest while it charges. Let's flip this back around. Okay, we're going to pause this while we're waiting on this red light. Okay, headed west on Memorial Drive at Oakland Cemetery. We're going to turn in and we're going to get a photo of facing directly into Oakland with the arches there. And then we're going to come back and turn left and go past the mill and on into Atlanta that way. Oakland, of course, is another historic cemetery. A lot of famous people are buried here. Georgia governors, Confederate generals, I think Margaret Mitchell, Bobby Jones. A lot of people are buried here. We need to come back and do a good tour of this cemetery sometime or another. There's an excellent little Greek restaurant up here. We're going to turn, we'll go by it. I know it's not open, but I'll let you see it. It's always painted up really, really interesting. We've been coming here 20 years. I love their gyros and their hamburgers, cheeseburgers. They're excellent. It's Nick's Greek to go. And Nick, I don't think Nick's staying there every day now anymore. But I'm going to tell y'all, I got stories. Nick will cuss you out in a heartbeat if you don't charge, or there it is right there. Nick's Greek to go. Parking lot used to be a little bit bigger, but they took it for those luxury apartments. But Nick is a feisty old Greek. They close up once a year and go back to Greece for about 2 weeks, around August, somewhere in there. But they've got a limit. If you purchase it in a certain amount, you can't charge it. But if you do charge it, they're going to charge you money extra, or they may let you I don't know if they, but anyway, he doesn't want it. He doesn't like charges, but he's feisty as he can be, and he will tell you what he thinks, and he will cuss you out in a flash. Wonderful old character. Okay, coming right up on Oakland, we're going to get a good snapshot of the arch here. We are getting to a point where we need to find a pit stop. Y'all may not want to hear that, but it is what it is. Can we go this way? This may be one way. I think that's one way. This is two way here. We're about to do another bold move, aren't we? Okay, let's go down and then we'll turn and come back, because I want to go back down by the mill. This stuff wasn't here when I started coming down here. There was a really neat little dirt road right here. Did they cut? No, you can still cut through there. Okay. There used to be, no, you can't either. Nope. There used to be a mulberry tree there. Come down here every year and find some mulberries on the tree, off of the tree. Yeah, be bold or go home, folks. We've already been bold once. We just ran a red light over at Grog Street Bridge. Be sure you watch the video. Like, watch, and share. Subscribe. Okay, we've run one of you rascals already. Y'all see the police around? We just make a day of being bold, folks. All right, doggone it. DAS Barbecue, never heard of them. There's another one back there though that is barbecue that's real famous. I guess we went right by it. If it's still open, I didn't even think to tell y'all about it. But yeah, Oakland Cemetery here on the left, the wall. I've always loved to watch this or look at it, whatever, when you come by. One thing about these new construction sites, if you find a Jiffy Johnny that's not fenced off, you do have to be careful because they are places where people sleep. But yeah, we got a lot of coffee built up. Coffee pressure. We may have to walk behind a building somewhere. Okay, we're gonna be bold again. This time to look, there is and they got the blinker on. A Waymo, a driverless car, but they've got their blinker on on the front. Oh, that maybe it's just blinking both lights. There you go, folks, a Waymo. We could be bold, and if we get stopped, we could say we got a self-driving van, and it just, did its thing. Okay, they even have a bicycle red light here. Okay, turning, going right down by Oakland. We'll be going by the old mill, will be on the right. Cabbage Town, right straight ahead. We just came right through Cabbage Town. We're having a little bit of trouble with this mount getting enough angle. Yeah, we told the story of what we understand is the accurate version of how Cabbage Town got its name, about Appalachian people working in the mill, and when the shift let out, people were cooking cabbage, and you could smell cabbage all through Cabbage Town cooking. And that's the most credible definition I have heard. There's several different versions going around. All this new stuff. Look at all this new stuff. It's all boxed off though. We don't have access to it. Pit stop. Auburn Avenue, historic Auburn Avenue, coming up on Martin Luther King Jr. This 3500 van rides a little bit rough, folks. Now our other 3500, our passenger van, it's a passenger van, but it is a 3500, and it rides pretty smooth, much smoother than our 2500 or this one. There are plenty of new construction sites, but they're pretty much all fenced off where you can't get to them. You reckon there's something in Little 5 or 5 Points open? I don't guess Sevenetta is open. You reckon Whole Foods is open down at Ponce Park? Varsity's open. Guess I could ask my assistant, the Google Gemini girl. She'll know. New stuff up here. We're going to turn left here on North Avenue. Keep going down there on Moreland, on this, whatever this, Boulevard, whatever. When it crosses over Ponce to Lynn, it becomes Monroe. The BOA Tower. It used to be, years and years ago, Hicks Green Buick. I worked there 1967, 68. Second shift, we had two shifts for the service shop. Worked on the night shift. All right, stay in that lane over there. That little piece of junk. Don't need you over here. Two Jiffy Johns, but it's closed off. If the Varsity's open, it's 10 till 11. If the Varsity's open, we may go in and get a burger and use the facilities. I doubt they're open, but they may be. Hey, we got another Waymo behind us. Here he is. He's coming up on the. I wonder if it's the same one. He got one blinker on. There he goes. That Publix looks like it's open. It is. Why don't we guess one way? We'll have to go up to the next one, turn left and come down and turn left. Some of these Publix, so they may have the bathrooms blocked. What's up, Waymo? Why you got that blinker on? You got a software glitch? Malfunction? Waymo! Got your blinker on, but you're not turning. There you go. That's a wonder. Another one. That one wasn't a Waymo. That one wasn't a Waymo. Okay, we're going to turn left here. There's somebody's police, some kind of police. Fulton Schools police. Hey, we'll go in and we'll check out the Publix. We'll buy something. I don't like, just going in using the bathroom somewhere and then not buying something. Always try to buy a little something. No, that's Walgreens. There's Walgreens and Publix. Okay. No, Publix is closed. Walgreens is open. Okay, well that ended that then. Maybe the Varsity's open. There's Waymo again. That must be another one, you reckon? Yeah, right here on the left used to be Hicks Green Buick. There's another Waymo. I wonder how many Waymos are operating in Atlanta right now. We may ask our girl. I've got a feeling Varsity's closed. That's a large BP. They may have coffee and bakery. They'll have a bathroom in there. Varsity is closed. There comes another Waymo. Boy, taxis and stuff, these people are going to be out of luck, aren't they? Hopefully we'll be able to use the bathroom here. We'll see. Okay, let's turn this off. This has turned into a 18-minute video. This will probably end this one. 17 and a half minutes.